Homelite $79 electric chainsaw. Awesome. Does a awesome, excellent job. On small stuff, I'm gonna have to say, if there's electricity nearby, then this, for me, is the way to go. It's crazy. It's crazy, but it's true. I am not a tree service guy, so somebody like that wouldn't need this. It'd be useless to them. But for what I do, just around the house, on the retreat property, stuff like that, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Don't have to worry about gas, the constant starting. No, I mean, I've got other chainsaws which I use for bigger things. First time I ever used it, bought it yesterday. Awesome, pure awesome. It's just a $79 Homelite 16-inch electric chainsaw. Crazy. Very simple. Tighten the chain. No, this is to lock and this is to tighten the chain. Awesome. You know, the hauling a cord around is a little bit difficult if you're in a bunch of junk like that. But that's the only drawback. It's like awesome. My wife loves it. That's it. Anyway, Homelite. Awesome to have around the house for your retreat property, whatever. Like I said, I do have other chainsaws. I actually have these two and another Cub Cadet. But sometimes I do believe I'll be using that one. Awesome. And it's nice too if you live in a subdivision or something and you want to get out there early in the morning. You don't want to be cranking on a chainsaw, waking up the neighbors. This is a little bit loud, but it's not near as loud as a chainsaw, a gas-powered chainsaw. $79. Well worth it. Well worth it. Now this is all they had at Home Depot, the Homelite, but it's good enough for me. Puts oil in here. Tighten the chain here. And this locks or unlocks the chain. Yeah, the wife got it stuck yesterday. I got it unstuck and just simply loosened the chain. Pulled on it like this. Actually, I held it like this and then I tightened it back up. And it tightened right up. That's it. Homelite. I'm shocked. Very, very shocked at how good that thing works. So $79. So if I used this every day for a couple of weeks, it would almost be worth it for me doing all this. I actually cut. Let's go in here. I actually cut. Man, it's just so messed up in here. I actually cut this tree down. This one here. With that. And this is every bit of 10 inches from here to here. I cut it down with that little electric. Now I didn't cut the big parts up with that because my wife got it after that and was using it. I use a regular chainsaw. But it'll cut trees that thick. Anyway, we'll see you. The Homelite Electric.